Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SNI School System online classes. I am teacher Arufa. I will teach you subject English, rhyme words of at, reader letter F and G. Moral lesson will be explained and nature will be discussed. Start our lecture with the name of Allah. Tawuz, A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajeem. Tasmiya, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Nature. What can you see in the picture? Clouds and raindrops raining. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. Did you hear the poem? I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. Yes, when it's raining, we get wet. And everybody likes the raining very much. And raining is a great blessing of Allah. जब बारिश होती है तो सब बहुत pleasant हो जाता है. And we use umbrella, we use raincoat, and we enjoy the pitter patter raindrops. Moral lesson: no yelling, no screaming. आपको जब भी किसी से बात करनी है तो चीख चीख कर बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. अगर आप इस तरह से बात करोगे तो सिर्फ आपकी चीखें सुनाई देंगी और जो आप कहना चाह रहे होगे वो दूसरे इंसान तक नहीं पहुंचेगा. इसलिए बगैर चीखे और शोर मचाए बात करना चाहिए. नो yelling, नो screaming. Okay? It's reader time. A book is a best friend. We will read letter F and Giga. You can find the friends of letter F on your book and letter Giga on your reader. Now revise the vocabulary word of F. F for football, F for frog, F for fox, F for fish. Now look at the question below. What is in the water? What is in the water? Fish is in the water. Read with me. Fish is in the water. What is this? This is a football. This is a football. Which animal is this? Read with me. This is a fox. This is a fox. What is this? This is a frog. This is a frog. Now come on the words, vocabulary words of Jiga. Jiga girl, Jiga goat, Jiga gate, Jiga goose. And the questions below. Which animal is this? This is a goat. This is a goat. What is this? This is a gate. This is a gate. Are you reading with me? Who is holding a rope of the goat? It is a girl. It is a girl. What is this? This is a goose. This is a goose. Now read it and learn it. Rhyme words. Words with the same ending sound. We will learn the rhyme words of at, a, t, at. Look at this picture. This is the house of rhyming words of letter of at. Look at these words: k, at, cat, r at rat, h at hat, b at bat. All these words have the different starting letter but with the same ending sound. Okay? at. Now read with me. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. P-A-T, pat. P-A-T, pat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. S-A-T, sat. S-A-T, sat. These are the rhyme words of at. Now look at the pictures carefully, recognize them and tell me what is this word of rhyming word at. Bat. Again, this is the bird bat. Cat. Fat. Hat. Mat. Rat. Do remember them. Now we will do word fluency practice. Read with me. I see a cat. I see a cat. The cat sat. The cat sat. I have a mat. I have a mat. Here is my hat. Here is my hat. The rat is fat. The rat is fat. I can pat the cat. I can pat the cat. Now we will do activity. We will join the picture with the rhyming word of at. The rhyme word of at, we will look at the picture. This is the picture of cat and we will find the cat in the next line. K, see k at cat. Hat. Find out H-A-T, hat. Yes, H-A-T, hat. Now this is the mat. M. Mat. This is the picture of bat. Where is the bat? Here is the bat. Now this is the picture of rat. Rat. Very good. You did it. Great job. Now it's writing time. Do your classwork and homework on rough notebooks. And kids, look and listen carefully and do your work very nicely, okay? Now kids, we will do our writing work. Hold your pencil properly and look at the board carefully what I am writing. As I have told you that rhyming words are the words that have same ending sound. And we are going to write the rhyming words of at, at. The ending sound is at. Okay, the first word we will write b, at, with the B. Starting letter B. I'm going to write B, make 1 in 3 first line and make belly into middle lines B. Now I will write at with red marker so you can understand what is the same sound. B, A, T. Bat. B, at, bat. Now you will write this b at bat for the 3 times. Okay. Now What comes next? I am changing the letter B. The next letter is seek, and the rhyming word is k at cat. The next letter will be k at cat. I am going to write seek, the starting letter. C into middle lines and A into middle lines. Teeth. K at cat, the second word. Okay, you will write k at cat 3 times. Now I am changing the letter. The next letter is F. F at fat. Look, I am changing the first letter, but at is the same in all the words. Now I am going to write F. Make round head and 1 in 3 top lines and make a flick. F and again at. F at fat. Again you will write fat for the 3 times in this line. Now I am going to change the starting letter. Next letter is H. H. H at. H at hat. H. 1. Go up and turn in 2 middle lines. H. At. Hat. You will write hat for the 3 times again. And the next letter is M. M. M at mat. M at mat. M. Small 1 in 2 middle lines, 1 turn and second turn. M at. M at mat. Okay? You will again write for the 3 times. Okay? M at mat. What is the next letter? R. R at rat. R at rat. Okay? I'm going to write R. 1. Come to the half, go up slash and come down. R. R at. R at rat. And you will again write R at rat for the 3 times. Do your work like this and you can make your rhyming book like I have made for you. Okay? Do your work nice and nicely and do your homework also. Okay?